Hi, my name is Michael.
I'm Micah.
This is part 4 in a series of help videos relating to general computer problems you as students, staff, and parents may have.
Note that you should not perform any maintenance on district or school computers. These tips are for personal use only.
Let's get started.
Hello everyone. This is part 4 in the series of computer help videos. Yes, and in this video we'll be covering 3 different topics. How to connect to the MNB school Wi-Fi network, how to access Office 365 for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all that stuff, and how to access the New Brunswick Virtual Learning Centre for online courses. So starting with connecting to the MNB student network. So I'm on a desktop right now which doesn't have a Wi-Fi card, so we'll jump over to the laptop and I'll be right back. So to access the MNB network, the first thing we're going to want to do is to go to the bottom left to the Windows key, give a click on that, then go to Settings, which is the little gear icon. Then in Settings we're going to want to go to the Network and Internet section, and when you give a click on that you're going to want to go over to the left status bar and click on Wi-Fi, click on Show Available Networks, and in the list of networks click on MNB, click Connect, and then here type in your school username and password. And if you get this message coming up saying continue connecting, just click on Connect. And that's it. You are all connected to the MNB Wi-Fi network. Alright, so now that you know how to connect to the MNB network, we can go ahead and access Office 365 for our Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and stuff like that. So to access Office 365, you can just open any browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome because I prefer it. And in here you can just simply type in Office 365, click enter, and you'll see the top link, office.com. If it's not the top link for you, just look for office.com. Give a click on that. And here's the main page. They'll talk about, you know, what they offer, stuff like that, but you're looking for the orange, or if it's a different color for you, the sign in button. Give a click on that. And then here you're going to want to enter your school email. So your school email is the first 3 letters of your first name, the first 3 letters of your last name, and your student number, followed by nbss.nbd.nb.ca. And here it will ask for your password, so you just provide your password and you're good to go. So then it will ask you if you want to stay signed in. I'm going to click yes in my case, but if you don't want to, you can just click no, it'll still sign you in. And here we are into the Office dashboard. So in the middle you'll see things I've recently used, files I've used, and on the left hand side you'll see programs: Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can also click these 9 little squares here, and that will give you all apps that you can open. And if we just open Word, for example, and new document, you can see it opens right up. So now we'll access the New Brunswick Virtual Learning Centre for students if you're in an online course. So to do that, we can just open up a new tab, close our old ones, and we can type in New Brunswick Virtual Learning Centre. As you can see, it comes right up. And it should be the first link. You'll see nbvhs.nbd.nb.ca. Give a click on that, and then it will take you to the login screen. You have New Brunswick teacher, student, or other. I'm a New Brunswick student, so I'll go ahead and click this blue one here. And it will simply sign us right in from Office, what we just did. And from here you can access your courses, messages, notifications, discover new courses, lock graphic. You can play around with this to your heart's content. And that's it. hopefully I was able to help you get into your Office 365 for your Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all your project needs, New Brunswick Virtual Learning Centre to access all your online courses, and the MNB network to access the Wi-Fi at school. So that's all I have for you today, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.